Are you a small business owner, IT professional, or domain admin looking to optimize your Yahoo business email? Proper setup is crucial for seamless operation and protecting your professional reputation. This guide will walk you through the essential DNS configurations: MX records, A records, and reverse DNS. Email delivery relies on specific DNS records. MX records direct incoming emails to the correct mail servers. A records map domain names to IP addresses, ensuring traffic goes to the right place. Reverse DNS, or RDNS, translates an IP address back to a domain name. It's vital for email authenticity and deliverability, helping to prevent your messages from being flagged as spam. MX, mail exchanger records, tell the internet where to send your domain's emails. For Yahoo, you need 2 specific MX records for redundancy and improved mail flow. The primary MX record is mxbiz.mail.ama.yahoodns.net with priority 1. The secondary is mxbiz.mail.am1.yahoodns.net with priority 5. Log into your DNS provider, find the DNS management section, and add these MX records. Ensure you remove any old MX records pointing to other mail servers. Verify your setup using an online MX lookup tool like MX Toolbox. Remember, DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate. A records link your domain to an IP address. For Yahoo Business Email, you'll need an A record for the business subdomain. This record should point to Yahoo's IP address, 67.195.22228.110. Navigate to your DNS management section and create a new A record. Set the host to business and the value to 67.195.228.110. Save your changes. Verify this A record using a DNS lookup tool to confirm it points correctly. RDNS is critical for email deliverability and sender reputation. It helps verify your outgoing mail server's authenticity. Unlike MX and A records, your internet service provider, ISP, or hosting provider typically sets up RDNS. Contact your provider and request RDNS setup for your outgoing mail server's IP address. The RDNS should resolve to a hostname like px.mail.yahoo.com, where X is a number assigned by Yahoo. Verify the setup using an online RDNS lookup tool. Encountering problems? If MX records aren't updating, double-check your changes and wait for propagation. For emails not receiving or going to spam, verify your MX, A, and RDNS records. Ensure your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are correctly configured. If issues persist, consult Yahoo Business Support. They can provide account-specific assistance. Improve email deliverability by warming up new accounts. Tools like Warmy.io can gradually increase sending volume and simulate interactions, building a positive sender reputation. Warmy.io also offers free tools like an email deliverability test and SPF DMARC generators. For security, enable 2-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Yahoo account. Use strong, unique passwords and educate your team about phishing. Regularly review account access and implement strict DMARC policies to prevent spoofing. Properly configuring your Yahoo Business Email DNS records is fundamental for reliable communication and security. By mastering MX, A, and RDNS settings, you ensure consistent email delivery and protect your business reputation. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more technical insights. Share your configuration tips or questions in the comments below.